Today we are going to be adding some text to an image. I'm using Gimp. It's a free open source software. We're going to open this and open this here, and we're going to rotate so that we have the proper orientation. And the reason I like this better than like Canva is because I don't have the paid version of Canvas, so I don't have the fonts that I like using. The versions. I made this social butterfly model for a street performance I was working on, and she was going to come up this little poll and get everybody to tweet and Instagram while we were out on the street. But COVID-19 has kind of come in and put a crimp to that style. Okay, so let's try having a dark text here. I'm just going to put this here. I copied the text I want. Oh, you know what I need to do is make this much smaller before I do anything else. I'm here chatting away and not really watching what I'm doing. So with this, we're going to come up here to image. We are going to scale the image. It's going to need, you can see it's now over 3,000 pixels. I think I'm going to make this, it's kind of a tough call. I want to use this on Twitter, which is not going to like my format. I'm probably going to make this 900 though for right now. I'm going to scale it down, hit Control on the keyboard and use the middle mouse wheel. I'm on a PC, so using the middle mouse wheel to scale up. Now we are going to use the text tool, Control V to to paste. And then let's try this at 25 pixels. And not exactly what I want, but this may work. I may do something a little different than what I was originally thinking. So we're going to actually increase this up to 40 pixels. And then let me come in here to the move tool, bring this up into here. I think what I'm going to want to do here is come in, create another layer, and then take this rectangle selection tool, place it over here, add a little color, move it underneath the text field, and there we go. I do want this to be a little different though. So we're going to go back to the text field. I want this to be uppercase. So highlight the text field so that we can change our text here. And then let's try this. I'm going to create another layer. This is kind of different than what I was thinking, so it might not turn out the way I wanted it originally. I think I'm going to do this. Back into my fill tool. Come over here to my text, copy it, I'm going to paste it, and move this up to something like 25, see if that does it. That's a little too much perhaps. Let's see, I wonder if I put this down here if that would work a bit better. Let's see if that can do it. There we go. Yeah, I think that that's what we're going to do right there. I want to change this again. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to create a layer. There we go. Now I can do it. I'm still not used to using Gimp. I've used Photoshop for so long. So now we're going to come in here and we're going to fill. That's the way I do it. Might not be the most efficient, but hey, it works. Come over here, copy some text. Come back in here to my tool for text tool, paste. I'm going to make this, I believe we said 34, right? I'm going to bring this up, bring this over. Yeah, sort of afraid of that. Let's see if we can squeeze this in here. I don't think we're going to be able to. Okay, we're going to have to figure out an alternative. Yes, I should have done that a little larger. I think we're going to delete this layer as well. Then we're going to add another layer. Okay, I'm going to put this up here. And fill that. Yes, something like so. Now go back to the text tool, highlight my text area, and I think what we're going to do here is bring this in. I want this to be brought down just a tad along with this. And I think I want this to be uppercase 34. I believe that that's what we're going to do. I'm saving this as an XCF file so I can edit it later. I could type. Okay, and in order to save this as a JPEG or a PNG, we are going to have to export it. You cannot just save it. So I want this as a JPEG, and we can save it same place. I'm going to hit export, and you can adjust the quality here. Yeah, that's pretty good. This is, I think, will only be on social media. It could even be higher. It doesn't really matter. And there we have it. I think that should do it for this. I will be doing more of these, so join on in. Wishing you all the best. Bye.